Welcome. As the name suggests, the presentation is about paper recycling and its impact on terrestrial ecosystems. Paper industry is one of the largest industry in the world. Global consumption of paper is currently more than 350 million tons a year. Worldwide use of recycled paper, also considered as environmentally friendly paper, has drastically increased in the last decade to counter such a huge demand. Recycled paper was used in almost 60% of worldwide manufacture of paper in 2010. Statistically, its usage went from 117 million tons in 1995 to 206 million tons in 2007. Traditionally, paper is produced from trees, the backbone of terrestrial ecosystem. This fact, along with the growing numbers around usage of recycled paper, fuel questions on actual impact of recycled paper to the terrestrial ecosystems. When talking about terrestrial ecosystem, many human activities and natural events directly or indirectly pose a big threat to the terrestrial ecosystem. When considering relationship between terrestrial ecosystem and paper production, one of the main components in manufacturing of paper is cellulose coming from trees. To create 1 ton of uncoated non-recycled paper uses around 24 trees. With such high statistics, paper production makes trees depletion the biggest threat to the terrestrial ecosystem. This problem of tree depletion can be solved by recycled paper. From production perspective itself, recycled paper uses less energy, natural resources, and poses less harm to ecosystem as compared to virgin paper. From a statistical perspective, as shown in the slide, recycled paper saves 100% of trees, 31% energy, and decreases wastewater and solid waste by 53% and 39% respectively. Recycled paper also reduces carbon footprints at a huge scale, like over 11 tons of carbon dioxide was avoided by recycling paper and board in 2008. Besides this, recycled paper also saves a lot of landfill space. Australians send around 1.9 million tons of paper to landfills every year, which if recycled can save huge amount of landfill space. Recycled paper is also used in construction and manufacturing industry as an environmentally friendly replacement of fiberglass insulation. To summarize, recycled paper has a massive impact on terrestrial ecosystems from simply decreasing trees depletion to reducing carbon footprints in not just the paper industry but also in other industries. Paper recycling, besides being a practice followed for decades, hasn't yet reached its true potential. As shown in the slide, in 2005, only 62.6% of paper was recycled in Europe, whereas in Australia in 2008, about 50% paper went straight to landfills. Everyone should strive to make sure more and more paper is recycled. A simple solution for this is to reduce, reuse, and recycle. To reduce includes reducing by using digital solutions like emails and sharing files in computer instead of printing documents. And to reduce advertisement papers coming in post by using a no junk mail sign. Using includes using unwanted paper as notepad, using gift paper and using shredded paper for packaging. And finally, recycle. Everyone should also recycle all the paper and paper products at home, work and in the community. And last but not least, purchase recycled paper for use. To conclude, I'll say recycled paper has a massive impact on the terrestrial ecosystem, and it's everyone's responsibility to reduce wasting paper and increase paper recycling. Also, given us some links to know more about paper recycling and its impact on terrestrial ecosystem. Thank you for your time. Please post your feedback and questions in the comments below.